Welcome to this series of short videos looking at the functionality of LANSA BI. In this video, we're looking at how to create a simple dashboard. From the main screen, select the floating action button in the top right-hand corner and select Dashboard. This will then present you with a dialog where you can enter the dashboard name, and I'm going to call this LANSA Tool Company Demonstration. And you can optionally select a view. Remember, a view is over a data model. So it's over a data set. This is where we're going to be building our reports. For this example, I'm going to be using a DB2 400. I'm going to be selecting the LTC, the LANSA Tool Company IBM full. I'm going to select the second layout option and press Create. This will then give me my canvas for creating my dashboard. And now it's a case of going to the left-hand side, selecting reports and viewing all my reports. And in this case, I want specific reports over a single data source, which is the Houston IBM. I'm going to do a search. And then that gives me all the different reports. And now it's a case of drag and drop. So I'm going to take that first one and drop it at the top there. I'm going to take the second one, which is the current sales target, and drop it onto the content there. Now I've got an option to either choose the table or the chart. I'm going to use the chart for that. We've got the product sales, and again I'm going to drop that on there, select that. So we've got a visual for that, and then I can just keep going. I can say top 10 products. Yep, so we can select that and drop that there. And what do I want to select? Let's have the chart for that one as well. And we can go through and I'll have the sales overview. Oop, missed that one. Let's select that one and put that there. And again, we'll have the chart for that one. So there I've got my various controls that I want. Let's add a filter. So for doing that, I can select filter. I want a vertical filters. And from here, I can see the different filters that are available. Now I'm just going to select this one for this in this case and then say save. Because what I want to do is to link every one of those charts that have got a filter to a single filter. So in this case, I'm going to link the filters and say we're going to be using the customer name and the customer name and the customer name. Apply. So now from that single filter, I'll be able to filter the various charts on the actual dashboard. So let's just test that. So I can do select, go here, let's just select a couple, apply that change and apply, and we should see the value start changing. In fact, let's publish this. So when I publish, this will make it available to all authorized users. I can select a group, so this is LANSA Tool Company, and this is going to be in the sales side. I'm going to save that. And now you'll notice I have a tab at the top with my LANSA Tool Company, and I have the details, the order history, the current sales target, the product sales, the top 10 products, and the sales overview. Now, as I start deleting some of those, you'll notice that all of these now start getting updated. So if I just get rid of all of those and do apply, we can see charts are now getting updated with the appropriate information. Yeah, in fact, I need to do a little bit of editing on this because there's not enough room there. So let me just go into edit mode, just say OK to that. And let's give it a little bit more room to the top control. There we go. I'm going to then publish. Again, just say the same thing. Save. We'll have a little bit more room to display that information. Now in this particular case, I have a date range select using this slider bar here. I can turn that off, and so we can only see the total rather than the total items. And again, the filter still works because when I select from here, let's say I'm going to have those there, and then apply. If I then apply that, you'll notice all the values, so the current sales target, the values for the product sales, the order history have all changed just to reflect those specific customers. So that concludes the demo for how to build a simple dashboard.